Mr. President, the gentleman from Pampanga, Senator Lapid, is seeking the floor, Mr. President. I move that he be recognized, our Kabalen.
Senator Lapid is recognized, and you may proceed, sir.
So, good day! Another day, another vlog na naman tayo mga kaibigan, mga kabong. Alright, so for today's video, for the very first time sa tinagal-tagal kong nanonood ng Senate hearing sa Senado, no? Yung mga plenary ganyan, for the very first time, no? Nakita ko at narinig ko na tumayo at nagsalita ang isang Senator Lito Lapid, no? It's amazing para sa akin. Bakit? Siyempre na, lagi natin narinig yung mga magagaling magsalita dyan di ba? Pero itong si Lito Lapid, super tahimik lang tong senador na to Si Leon Guerrero, si Pinuno, akalain mo yun? Nanalo ko dati back in the days, parang nabalita yan na si Lito Lapid ay nagpapasa ng batas na gawing Tagalog o gawing Pilipino yung konstitusyon sa ligang batas, pati yung pakipagtalastasan dyan sa Senate and Congress, kasi nga hindi naman siya sanay and well versed sa English, kaya siguro hindi masyado nagsasalita to si Lito Lapid dahil Tagalog lang talaga yung kanyang lingwahe, Siyempre may mga naman yan, may mga legal advisor naman yan, may mga staff naman yan na nag-work para sa kanya, kaya siguro gano'n ang siste, Pero ito ngayon, bumayo sa plenary na open for debate and interpolation. Kasi pag tumayo sa plenary dyan, medyo ka dyan didibatihin ka talaga di ba, tatanungin ka. So madalas na lagi may kaaway si Rapi Tulfo dyan dahil siyempre investigador ng bayan yan RTIA yan si Rapi Tulfo So this time na panoorin natin si Lito Lapid. And sa mga nandito ngayon kung binoto mo si taas ang kamay, yung bumoto kay Lito Lapid, paki-comment down below naman kung bakit niya binoto. At kaya rin kinokontent natin to dahil si Lito Lapid ay nagpa ng re-election sa susunod na election this coming 2025 para malaman na din natin kung ano yung laman, di ba? Iba yung nagsasalita ka para masishare mo kung ano laman ng utak nitong itong mamang ko di ba? So yun, comment down below and panoorin natin si Senator Lito Lapid. Alright,
thank you, Senator Villanueva. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the third reading of Senate Bill number 2797. This is the bill declaring Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines. The printed copies of the bill were electronically distributed to the members of this chamber on November 28, 2024 in compliance with the 3-day rule of the Constitution. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, consideration of Senate Bill number 2797 on third reading is now in order. Senate Secretary is directed to read the title of the bill and to proceed with roll call vote.
An act declaring the province of Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines. Roll call vote. The Honorable Senator Binay, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pimentel, Senator Poe, Senator Revilla, Senator Tolentino, Senator Tulfo, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Cynthia, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, the Senate President.
With 21 affirmative votes, 0 negative, 0 abstention, Senate Bill number 2797 is approved on third and final reading.
Mr. President, the gentleman from Pampanga, Senator Lapid, is seeking the floor, Mr. President. I move that he be recognized, our Kabalen.
Senator Lapid is recognized, and you may proceed, sir.
Okay. Mahal na Pangulo at sa aking mga kagalang-galang na samahan mga senador, ating mga kababayan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po sa lahat ay nais ko pong ipahayag ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. Suporta ipagpasa sa Senate Bill number 2797. Nagdideklara sa Pampanga bilang Culinary Capital of the Philippines. Isang malaking karangalan po ito, hindi lamang sa aming mga Kapampangan, kundi sa buong Pilipinas. Kilalanin ang yaman at kasaysayan ng ating lutuing Pilipino. Nais ko rin po magpasalamat at ipaabot ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa ating Senate President Francis G. Escudero at sa ating Senate President Pro Tem sa ito, Jinggoy Estrada, at si Senator Majority Leader Francis Tolentino, at sa Minority Leader Coco Pimentel, at si Senadora Risa Ontiveros. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At sa ating mga kasamaan, mga senador, lalong-lalo na kasamaan nating Senador Mark Villar na buong pusong sumuporta bilang sponsor ng panukalang ito. Maraming salamat, pare. Bilang panukalang ito, lubos na nagpapasalamat ako sa kapwa senador na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa tiwala at suporta upang maikatuparan ang panukalang hakbang na ito. At hindi ko rin po makakalimutan ang pasasalamat na tumulong sa mababang kapuluan ang dating Pangulo Gloria Macapagal Arroyo at ngayon ay Congresswoman ng 2nd District ng Pampanga na tumulong din po paano maipasa ang aking Republic Act 9999, ang Lapid Law kung tawagin. At pasasalamatan ko rin po si Congressman Janjan Lasatin ng 1st District ng Pampanga, Congresswoman Ana York ng Bondok ng 4th District ng Pampanga, at si Congressman Aurelio Gonzales ng 3rd District. At nais ko rin po pasalamatan ang ating Speaker, Martin Romualdez. Kaya po, ang kasabihan po ng mga Kapampangan, lutong Kapampangan, manyaman, pagmaragul ko, kening mabilog, ayato. Kapampangan ko, pagmaragul ko. Ibig po sabihin nun, ang lutong Kapampangan, masarap at pinagmamalaki sa buong mundo. At Kapampangan ko, pagmaragul ko. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Thank you, Senator Lapid. Kanina pa bilasa at maingay ang plenaryo at gallery. Ikaw lang pala makakapagpatahimik sa kanilang lahat, Senator Lapid. Maraming salamat. Majority Floor Leader. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, the chairman of the committee, Senator Mark Villar, is seeking the floor likewise for a manifestation.
Senator Mark Villar is recognized for his manifestation in connection with the third reading of the bill that he sponsored. You may proceed, sir.
Mr. President and dear colleagues, allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made possible the approval on third reading Senate Bill number 2797 under Committee Report number 333, or the Act declaring Pampanga as the Culinary Capital of the Philippines, of course under the leadership of our beloved Senate President Chis Escudero, and all the senators, especially our Kapampangan Senator, si Supremo Senator Lito Lapid. Congratulations, and to everyone, because everyone helped to make this bill possible. Throughout the well-decorated history of our country, at any point, our culinary tapestry did not disappoint as an identifier of the rich cultural heritage of being a Filipino. It remains a vital component of our identity as a country of impressive gastronomy at par with the global culinary landscape. By declaring Pampanga as a culinary capital, we do not dismiss the similar hearty dishes hailing from other places in the Philippines, as every delectable Filipino dish boasts of their own distinct culinary edge. This recognition of Pampanga is a way of celebrating its extraordinary influence on Filipino food while still honoring the cultural diversity that makes our nation's cuisine so rich and vibrant. Mula sa Pampanga, baybayin po natin ang iba't ibang culinary destination sa buong Pilipinas. We will continue to boost our nation's culinary pride by recognizing Filipino destinations that are significantly contributing to the continuous enrichment and development of Filipino cuisine. Sisiguraduhin po natin na patuloy ang ating suporta sa pagkilala sa ibang pang lugar sa Pilipinas na mayroon ipinagmamalaking culinary treasures. Today, we start with Pampanga as the culinary capital. Tomorrow, we explore our cherished national treasure, our cuisine, that lies in the unique story of every city and province that has long been boasting of their exceptional history and cultural importance. In closing, I thank my colleagues for supporting Senate Bill number 2797 under Committee Report number 333 as it stands to benefit not only the people of Pampanga but the entire country. By officially recognizing Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines, we are celebrating our culinary heritage, investing in the development of our tourism, and securing a legacy that those who will come after us will continuously to be proud of. Mr. President, dear colleagues, our friends from Pampanga who are here with us today, thank you very much for your continuous support in ensuring that this August Chamber remains dedicated to the holistic and sustainable development of our country. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Senator Mark. Majority Leader.
Mr. President, Senator Lauren Legarda is seeking the floor to explain her vote.
Senator Lauren Legarda is recognized.
Mr. President, I cast my affirmative vote on Senate Bill number 2797, declaring the province of Pampanga as a culinary capital of the Philippines. As an author of this measure, I see it as a tribute to the rich heritage and exceptional culinary artistry that Pampanga has shared with our nation and the world. The Kapampangan commitment to food is an enduring legacy passed down through generations. From iconic dishes like sisig, kare-kare, tibok-tibok, and tocino, Kapampangan cuisine tells a story of innovation, resourcefulness, and love for tradition. It is equally important to note that this recognition does not diminish the contributions of other provinces and regions to our country's diverse culinary heritage. It serves as an invitation for all of us to celebrate our shared heritage and honor the distinct flavors that each region offers. Pampanga, in this sense, becomes a gateway, a starting point for exploring the many stories told through Filipino cuisine. By passing this bill, we also unlock the potential of culinary tourism as a driver of economic growth. We give opportunities to local businesses. We empower our communities. We inspire future generations to continue preserving and innovating our culinary traditions. As a chairperson of the Senate Committee on Culture and the Arts, and as a steadfast advocate for our nation's culture, history, and our way of life, I wholeheartedly support this measure. With this vote, I reaffirm my commitment to preserving and promoting the diverse cultural treasures of our nations. I congratulate the sponsor and authors of this measure. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Legarda. Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I move for a minute suspension.
Session suspended.
So yun, anong palagay nyo? Goods na ba to si Lito Lapid? Para sa inyo? Pero for me kasi hindi ko to binoto eh. Kasi bumoboto tayo base dun sa ano yung kartada niya, So ayun, comment down below kung ano yung masasabi mo dito sa paghahain ng batas ni Lito Lapid sa plenary ng Senado. Comment down below. At yun lang, kung merong violent reaction, comment, suggestion, comment down below, and see you on the next video habang nag-aantay tayo dito sa crossing.